Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to create a giant new number block, Numberblock 800. Let's start drawing. Start with the bottom left rectangle. Add 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines to make a 10 by 10 grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's block 100. Now draw the bottom right rectangle with the same grid lines. That's block 200. Now we climb higher past 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and now 200. On top of block 100, draw the rectangle for block 300. Add the 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines. Stack another on the right. Draw block 400 above block 200 with its grid. Now on the left again, draw block 500 above block 300. Add the grid lines. On the right, above block 400, draw the rectangle for block 600. Draw block 700 on top of block 500, completing the left column. Finally, draw block 800 above block 600. Add the 9 vertical and 9 horizontal lines. Wow! 800s stacked together! That's me! I'm made of 8 mighty hundreds. At the top, draw 2 big circular eyes with pupils inside. Then draw eyelashes. First on the right eye, then on the left eye. Underneath, draw his wide smile and teeth inside. Now, draw 3 arms on the right side, top, middle, and bottom. Then draw 3 arms on the left side, top, middle, and bottom. That's 6 arms total. Counting through. At the bottom, draw 2 little curved legs. At the very top of his body, the number 800. In the center of the body, draw an octagon badge. Inside it, write the number 800. Fantastic! Our drawing is ready. Now let's bring him to life with colors. Start with black. Color the pupils, the inside of the mouth, and the numbers 800 in the badge. Black equals B-L-A-C-K. Minigame, spot it. Look around you. Can you spot something black in your room? Maybe your pencil, shoes, or your hair. Point to it now. Now take your purple. Color outline of the eyes or spiky eyelashes around both eyes and inside the smile. Purple equals P-U-R-P-L-E. Minigame, say and clap. Let's spell purple together. P-U-R-P-L-E. Clap your hands each time you say a letter. Next, grab your light pink. Carefully color the entire body of Numberblock 800. Pink equals P-I-N-K. Count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we climb higher past 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and now 200. Let's keep going in tens. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and now 300. Now the 300s. 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, and 400. Next, the 400s. 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, and 500. Here come the 500s. 510, 520, 530, 540, 550, 560, 570, 580, 590, and 600. Up through the 600s. 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, and almost at the bottom, 710, 720, 730, 740, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790, and 800! Amazing counting, everyone! For his 6 arms and 2 legs, use a dark burgundy color. Spell it B-U-R-G-U-N-D-Y. Minigame, wiggle game. Every time you color an arm, wiggle your own arms. And you wiggle all 6 arms like Numberblock 800? Let's add some friendly animals. A puppy soft and sweet. 6 little spots upon him from his head to his feet. 1, 2, 3, and 7 little blue fish swimming in the sea. Next, grab your light pink. Carefully color all the circles of his arms. Spell it P-I-N-K. Minigame, find the sunshine. Look around. Can you find something pink? Like the sun in a picture, a crayon, or a toy. Point to it and say pink. 8 purple grapes are hanging on a vine so tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to catch them all. And 9 red yummy apples in a basket deep and wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're happy, feelings high. 10 tiny little stars are twinkling in the night sky's hue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, color the octagon badge in the center with magenta. Magenta equals M-A-G-E-N-T-A. The number 800 inside stays black. Amazing work! You built Numberblock 800 step by step. 8 blocks tall, 6 arms wide, and 800 strong. I am strong, colorful, and ready with 800s and 6 arms.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.